Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you watched my last video, you watched me make this card. And this is the card I made for my swaps. So I'm going to show you the rest of my swaps. I love it. We get together with our stamping team and each of us make 10 cards. And then, or however many people are in the swap. So each of us made 10 cards because there were 10 of us. And then we brought back our own and 9 other cards. So this is the one you saw me make. If you didn't see it, make sure you check out my previous video. And then again, you guys, beautiful cards coming. Look at this. I need to open these. This one was done by Chris Brower. Oh, this was one of my favorite cards. I was torn because we also vote on them. I was torn between this one and one other one. So, but look at that lace on the side, and it's such a cute little fold. So I love that. There we go, this one. That one was done by Lori Heiling. Very cute. She always does such a cute job. This one, beautiful. This one was done by Kathy Belcher. And this is another fun one. Look at this. Okay, we're going to open it, and you open it there. But then you also can open it like a regular card. So it opens three ways. Well, 2 ways. But it's 3 layers. Very, very cute. This one, another one of my favorites. And this one was done by Gail Brantley. Using that poppies and the splatter. And it just looks so great. And I love this side. You've seen me do that before. This one was made by a brand new demonstrator. She's on my team, Brittany Luton. And she did such a good job for being brand new. She just joined during celebrations because she wanted to get all the great items. But is that super cute? This one, I haven't opened it, so I don't even know how it opens. This one was made by Donna Kish. Super cute with the little barnyard animals. It says we really do have the perfect friendship. And this is a fun fold. Look at that. Super adorable. Oh, so I love this fold. And then we've got this one. And this one was made by Patty Gallagher. This is the last one. This is the new cups that are in the one of the new freebies that you could get for celebration. If you haven't seen, they added 5 new freebies. So if you wanted to purchase any of the items to make these cards, you can do so here at jeanpersani.stampinup.net. Here is the host code if you'd like to participate in that, and you'll get a thank you card from me. So how much fun. I made one card multiple times and came back with all of these great cards and little gifts there. So please, ladies, give these, and gentlemen, if there are any gentlemen out there who love stamping, I would love to have you on my team, as well as the ladies, all the beauties out there. So anyway, make sure you give a thumbs up, and then make sure you subscribe down here if you'd like to see how these are made. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!